plane, yeah. We're flying.
Uvanavang is a medieval monastery located in the village of Ohanavan in the Aragatsotn province of Armenia. The monastery stands on the edge of Kasag River Canyon and its territory is adjacent to the village of Ohanavan. The deep gorge is curved by the Kasag River.
What is up, guys? Rodel here, and I just want to appreciate everyone and thank everyone for all who supports my channel. And right now we're going to have a tutorial on how to make your video cinematic by adding adjustment layer on it, and we're gonna use our Premiere Pro CC 2017 to edit this video. So I hope you like the video that you just watched. That's a drone shot from Armenia, and I did a cinematic video on that. Let's dig in. Okay, we're now here in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017, and we're going to add the cinematic bars. Okay, select the video wherein you want to start your cinematic bar. So for me, I will start here at my drone shot. Of course, you need to add your videos and your effects, sound effects, and your backup music. Then after that, select the position for the drone shot because I'm using my drone shot, so I'll put here. And this is the first keyframe. Then this is the last keyframe of the drone shot, which is here. Okay, so first thing I need to do is go to project. Okay, project, go to project, then click the new item, then click adjustment layer, then click OK. Once you click OK, just locate your adjustment layer. So this is the adjustment layer. Position your adjustment layer on top of your video. Okay, so this is the start of my drone shot. Then up to the end of the drone shot, it's here. Okay, so once you did that, click the adjustment layer, then go to effects, then you can type here crop directly from transform. Click the crop, then drag it to adjustment layer. After dragging it to adjustment layer, click the adjustment layer, then go to effects control. After going to effects control, you can see here crop because we put effects on the adjustment layer, and if you can see here adjustment layer also. Then on the crop, we're going to use the top and the bottom for the toggle animation, but before pressing that, click the adjustment layer, then click up. So you will go directly to the first keyframe of the adjustment layer. Okay, so once you did that, you can go directly to effects control, then crop, then click the toggle animation. We will use top, and we will use the bottom. Okay, because we're going to put the cinematic bar there. Okay, so the first keyframe, automatically it will turn blue here, and this one is blue also. You can see the arrow here also. Okay, Next thing to do is we will start by open. So this is 0. Okay, you don't need to change anything because still 0%, still open. Then we will close a little bit by 10% on the next keyframe that we're going to add. So on the adjustment layer, click shift, then right button four times. Okay, so that is 20 keyframes if we're going to count 20 keyframes. Okay, if we're going to repeat, shift 1 2 3 4, so that is 20 keyframes. Each press of shift right is 5 keyframes, so that is a shortcut, shift right button. Okay, then we're going to add again the keyframe here. Click the add keyframe, add keyframe. Okay, and if you can see, if we're going to zoom, that is already 2 keyframes added. But here we're going to adjust the percentage to 10%. Okay, so next, so if you can see, it's taking effect already. There's the bars already. So it depends on you on what size of bars you're going to put. So but for me, I'm using 10% always because it's good for my videos. So next thing to do is go to adjustment layer, and we're going to the last keyframe. So go to click adjustment layer, then press down, so you will be on the last keyframe. Last keyframe is open, so we'll just click the adjustment layer, then we'll go to effects control, then crop. Okay, then you need to add keyframe again. Add keyframe, add keyframe. Okay, and if you can see, it's here, it's the last. Okay, and if you're going to zoom, you can use this one to zoom. So we add first, second, and we add the last. Okay, and we need to change the percentage for the last to 0. Okay, the top is 0, the bottom is 0. Okay, that's the last keyframe. And from last keyframe, we will start to count again 20 keyframes back. Okay, from the last keyframe, we need to go back 20 keyframes back. Okay, so from here, we'll count. I'll do shift, then left button, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we're on the last. This is the last part. We need to add keyframe again, keyframe, then keyframe. And if you can see here, this one we added already. So this is 10. Okay, 10, then 10%. Okay, so after that, you just need to press save, then you're done. It's finished already. Okay, so for the final output, this is the final output.
Uvanavang is a medieval monastery located in the village of Ohanavan in the Aragatsotn province of Armenia. The monastery stands on the edge of Kasag River Canyon, and its territory is adjacent to the village of Ohanavan. The deep gorge is curved by the Kasag River.
So that's the final output of the video, and I really appreciate everyone who supports this tutorial. So if you have many comments, just comment down below, or if you want to tackle a new topic on tutorials, just link down below, or if you want, you can comment below. And yeah, for the new subscribers, don't forget to hit the notification bell. But if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button so you will always be updated on my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone. Thank you. Cheers to that. Okay guys, if you mess up with your keyframes, all you need to do is delete your keyframes from here. Okay? You can right click here and clear. Okay? You just need to do that. And also this one. Right click, then clear.